What's up, guys? This is the channel of Backwoods Grill. Today we're going to be cooking up some fried jalapenos. So drink a beer and let's get cooking. Alright, so you want to dry your jalapenos off. I've been drying these for about 20 minutes. You want to get as many of the juices off as possible. Then go ahead and throw them in your batter. You just need to cover them on all sides. And while you're doing this whole process, you want to get your oil started heating up. You want to get that at about 375, and it's good to start frying. Alright, so you got them all covered here. Now let's go ahead and move them to the oil. Alright guys, so there it is, some fried jalapenos. I'm going to pair this with a nice IPA. It goes really nicely with all the spices in the jalapeno. Alright, let's take a bite. Yeah man, it's good. Remember guys, if you made it this far, smash that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.